obiska Gospoda.
Hvaležnost je lepa čednost, nikoli ni preveč. Zato smo tudi mi hvaležni, da bomo nocojšnji večer preživeli z nami. Kaj bi mi brez nas? Zahvala gre tudi k Bogu Očetu za vse naše darove, z deljenjem katerih ni varčeval, a ostajamo ponižni in zadnji izmed bratov. Pa tudi za vas, ljubo občinstvo, da vam je dano nas občudovati in nas iz hvaležnosti ljubiti.
We're something special, in fact, we shine bright like we're gold. If you're not understood, you have heard about us before. Because we have talents, a wonderful thing. Now everyone listens as we start to sing. We're so grateful and proud. All we want is to sing it out loud. So we say thank you for the music, the songs we're singing. Thanks for all the joy we're bringing. Who can live without it? We ask in all honesty. What would life be without the song or dance? What are we? So we say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Our mother said we were dancers before we could walk. She said we began to sing long before we could talk. And we've often wondered how did it all start. Who found out that nothing can capture a heart like a melody can. But whoever it was, we're a fan. So we say thank you for the music, the songs we're singing. Thanks for all the joy we're bringing. Who can live without it? We ask in all honesty. What would life be without the song or dance? What are we? So we say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. It's so lucky we are the class with a golden crown. We wanna sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a joy. Thank you for the music, the songs we're singing. Thanks for all the joy we're bringing. Who can live without it? We ask in all honesty. What would life be without the song or dance? What are we? So we say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. Thank you for the music, the songs we're singing. Thanks for all the joy we're bringing. Who can live without it? We ask in all honesty. What would life be without the song